Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module, we have our last big topic for the whole semester, which is formal commands. This is a really important topic, and it's a really hard topic. Even if you've taken Spanish before, you may not have seen this topic. It usually comes later, but it's important because when you're working with patients and you want to tell the patients to do something, you'll be using a formal command. So like every time you tell a patient, like, please wait here, sit here, sign here, you want to be formal with them, but you're telling them what to do. So that is the formal command form. Make sure you look over all of the readings, resources. So there's like some extra videos about the importance of using formal commands, why we want to use these and not the informal commands. If you learn Spanish like at home or with your friends, you're probably used to using the informal commands. Under the readings, there's also a list of irregulars. Please print that out or keep that open. There's a bunch of common words that you'll need that are on that list of irregulars. So make sure you have that with you when you're doing the assignments. Again, there's information about the final project. Once we've gotten through these formal commands, you can start working on that final project. You need to have formal commands in the project. So we have the homework packet. We have our last discussion board. So make sure you get your first post in 2 days before the end of the module. The speaking assignment, you'll be giving some commands, and then the quiz. Please reach out to me if you have questions. Like I said, this is kind of a hard topic. It's not usually a Spanish 1 topic. It's just really important for healthcare. So I'm happy to go over it with you if you're having questions, concerns, anything. And like I said, really make sure you keep that list of irregulars with you as well. Let me know if you have questions. Y nos vemos pronto.